Hello again. Just noticed that Michael Jackson. Brummy in ATL here, and the reason why I'm called Brummy is because I'm originally from Birmingham, England, and now living in Atlanta, Georgia, or Atlanta, Georgia, as Bud keeps saying. Today, excuse the mess, it's 88 degrees in the house. I'm not putting on the AC. Got the windows open, no breeze, and then I'm gonna cook. I have just emptied out the fridge after our fish and chips yesterday. I've emptied out the fridge and I'm gonna see what I can cook. I normally like to call this the flinging, throw it in the pot, mix it all up, eat it. What have we got? So I've emptied it out, and what I've got is some carrots, peas, super greens. Super greens is like curly spaghetti, which has got kale, zucchini, parsley, broccoli and spinach in. So that's quite good. I'm going to cook it in avocado oil. I call them chickpeas. Coleslaw, but just the mix, it's like cabbage and things like that. Mushrooms. I've got a bit of avocado. I don't know if I'm going to use that. Spinach. Curly kale. Asparagus. I don't know if I'm going to use the Brussels sprouts. What else have I got? Sliced tin black olives and some lentils. What else have I got? Oh, I've also got some dandelion. Never cooked with it, so I'm going to try how it tastes. Normally I have that in a smoothie, and then I'm going to put some seasonings in and take it from there. So we will see. Looking forward to it. What time is it? It's 4:44. Say no more. And then I'll see how long it takes, because it doesn't take me long. I'm just going to throw it all in the pot and I'll keep you posted. Oh, did I say it was hot? It's 88 in the house. 88 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's about 31 degrees Celsius. So I'm sweating. Whew, and it's going to be even hotter when I get this fire started. So I'm just going to wash my hands. So watch this space. I normally cook with spring water because we got well water. And I think I did some soup once and it didn't taste very well. So we need to get the water tested. But yeah, we get ours from the well, if you didn't know already. But yeah, got the pot on the fire. I'm going to do cook these first, and whilst I'm doing that, I'm going to take out the these. This is green pepper, yellow pepper, orange, red, and then red onions. I'm trying to think, it's just a rainbow colours of peppers. Instead of, I normally buy like the big ones and then cut them up. That just saves a lot of time. And then they don't go off either. So yeah, empty space. Vegetable pasta on. I've got my mixed peppers on with a little bit of Kerrygold butter. Just put the coleslaw mix in there with the mushrooms, some more carrots, and then I've also got bruschetta, roasted pepper, and artichoke mix, which is really nice. That's in there as well. Also like to put in the taco seasoning. That just brings out the flavour even more. It's just gone, I think 5:15, probably like half an hour, if that. And got the chickpeas in, got the green beans in, Also put in some water, not water, but coconut water. I like to use that when I'm cooking a lot. And then I've just used the seasonings. I've just used, can you see? Not focusing. So I've just used smoked pepper, smoked paprika, and then the taco seasoning. I think that's what I've used for seasoning, and it tastes absolutely gorgeous. So I've just got to put the greens in now, the spinach, the kale, and then the spirals are completed already, cooked already. So I'm going to throw the whole lot in together, and then I should be finished. But I think it's a little bit full. So everything's in. So like I was saying, that's what I'm using. This is Dash. And then the taco. And then this one. Really, really, really nice. Struggling to get that. Not put the asparagus in. Like I say, in the water. So we're nearly there, and then I can call Bud. Say, Bud, it's ready. So ready. Just put some avocado in there as well. Half an avocado. So yeah, ready to eat. The proof is in the tasting. Let's see what Bud says. Right. The question is, how well do you know your partner? I'm going to call him, and he's just going to go, yes. And I'm going, your dinner's ready. He's in the basement, so watch this one. Should play that on your partner. Bud! Your dinner's ready. Yes. How is it?
Good. Good mashup.
Thanks, Bud. Just say I put my toes in it.
Yeah, I think you got a little gravy on them.
Thanks, Bud. There you go. Mash up, mash up. Really, 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 really tasty. Yes, Bud?
Mm-hmm.
He said, damn. Did you empty out the whole contents of the fridge? I more or less did, didn't I? So, that's it. Sweating. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, most of all, share. Bye! Bye, Bud!
Bye.